Hi guys, welcome to Love It by Andrea. Our video today, I am going to show you a product that I got on my Allure box from October. I tried it last week and I really like it, the way that my hair turned out afterwards. So it's basically a cream that you apply on your hair to help it air dry beautifully without any heat. The product is from Pureology and it is the Hydrate Air Dry Cream. So it's this one here, and I already applied it. You're gonna see in a few minutes, and then I will come back again once my hair is full dry, okay, for you guys to see how it turned out. So let's get started. So here is the final results. I think that it gave my hair more volume, and even if you see some frizz hair, you know, like those flyaway hairs or whatever you want to call them, I don't see that much, especially because I washed my hair today. So I think that with this product my hair got tamed. So but I like the way that my hair dried, you know what I mean, air dried with it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to give a thumbs up. Okay, see you next time. Bye.